Here we have a 1932 Plymouth Sedan. This is a car you don't see every day. You know, you go to car shows and you see a lot of Model A's and really even a lot of early Chevrolets, but you don't see a lot of the early Dodges and Plymouths and Chryslers and things like this. And this was a beautiful example of a 32 Plymouth. It's all stock still with the factory 4-cylinder in it. And obviously has great eyeball with the two-tone kind of a burgundy and black with the wide whites and the red wheels. The car really stands out. You can see the radiator shell and everything is in good shape. There's the Plymouth logo. This car came to us just the way you see it from the family that had it for quite some time. And as you look here, keep an eye on the paint and the body lines and reflections. You can see the paint is very, very nice on the car. And a lot of times you see on these early cars, sometimes the fenders get kind of beat up and dented and dinged and reworked. And as you can see, the fenders on this car are in very good shape. Matching rear spare. Now you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's a shot of the roof line. Again, excellent lines and fit and finish on this car are very nice. Take a peek at the inside here. It's a very solid car as well. There's no signs of any bubbling or anything that I've been able to see anyhow. See, bottom of the doors are in good shape. Take a peek at the interior here. Again, all in stock condition. Headliner's in good shape. The oval window in the back is kind of a nice touch. Also, as you can see, hopefully the rear factory curtain is still back there as well. Suicide doors, everybody likes those as well. This car really takes you back in time and is surprisingly comfortable to cruise in as well. Go ahead and see if she wants to start for us here. There you go. Start it up nice. Check oil pressure, water temp, amps. Looks like the gauges are working from what I can see here. I'll go out and open the hood here now. Alright, as you can see, the original 4-cylinder is still in there. And look at the tag here as well. We'll go around it one more time so you can get a look at the lines. Again, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered, and believe it or not, you can even finance these old guys. So give us a call at 507-386-1726 if you have any questions, and we will do our best to work with you on this 1932 beautiful Plymouth Sedan.